We first got Dash and we researched topics and activities that we can use him for, and we played around with him to see what we could do and how he works. We then looked for apps that would work for him, like Wonder, that we could use a free roam controller and use code. We started using him a little bit on the free roam controller to see how he works and to see what we could do with him. We looked at Wonder, played around with it, and looked at how we use code and what we can code. We then thought of projects that we could do, and we thought we could do one coding trial and one free roam controller time trial. So we started playing around with him with the free roam controller again, and also started coding. We moved into coding using the Wonder app, coding him on an obstacle course that we set up around the auditorium that would include barriers and things that would make him go forwards, backwards, and turn. We kept coding, and then we moved on to the free roam controller trial. For this, we started to build a ramp for him to go down to make it interesting. We used a box of cardboard to make this ramp and set him at the top, and then used the free roam controller to put him down. We then took a video of what we did. After this free roam controller run, we started coding again and building a different obstacle course instead of the time trial. We then set up a start position for where we start the code, and then we started to code on the Wonder app. Here you see us doing some trial code to see what will work and where he will end up. We then continued to add more code onto this every day and keep trial and testing to see if the code would work or if he would crash and mess up, which took a lot of trial and error on our part. Here's another video of the code in action. That concluded our project after we completed the code and it went out around the obstacle course the way we wanted it to. We finished our project and we really enjoyed it and learned a lot about coding in the process.